Quail fry is a must-try delicacy. It's flavorful and simply delicious. If you haven't tried these tiny game birds before, you should give it a try. It has a delicate flavor. I am super excited to share this recipe with you guys, so please don't skip this video, watch till it ends. So let's get into this video. To make the marinade, take a large bowl, add 3 tablespoons ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon black salt, 1 teaspoon red chilli flakes, 2 tablespoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon red color, 1 tablespoon thick curd, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoon corn flour, goes in 2 tablespoon all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Goes in some salt, adjust it as per your taste. Give this a very good mix. Add some water and mix well. Clean and pat dry the quail and make 2 to 3 gashes. Marinate the quail with this marinade and set aside for 2 to 3 hours. You can also marinate this for overnight. Do not fry immediately. Heat oil in a kaadai on a high flame. While adding the marinated quail, reduce the heat to medium-high heat. And now I am going to add the quail pieces at a time. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on one side. Now turn the quail pieces and fry this till it becomes crispy. Once it's done, drain on wire rack and serve hot with kebab rice. So delicious, crispy and tasty quail fry is ready to serve. Garnish this with some fresh chopped coriander leaves. Serve hot with rice. Try this recipe, you will surely love it. Don't forget to tag us on our Instagram page chimmies.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe, and when you do, click that little bell icon. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, take good care of yourself and happy cooking.